Well, if you maybe did a little overspending over the holidays, trust me, you are not alone. But now here we are in January, and it's time to take a serious look at how you're going to repay all that debt. Jennifer Bernier is from Clark County Credit Union joining us today. She is a HELOC professional, and boy, does she know a thing or two about loans and how to go about this in the smartest way. Jen, how are you?
Hi, great. How are you?
I'm great. Thank you. Like I said, people, they may have started debt far before the holiday season, but right now, people are getting super serious about their finances. I mean, we started off the year. We know we have taxes coming up for sure. And you have
Yep.
some great advice for people on how they can use what they have to pay this back.
You bet. So it is definitely that time of year when all of our holiday bills are rolling in. And while you may have some payment shock right now, there's something we can do to alleviate that stress for you. So what we suggest is using your home's equity to pay off all of the credit card debt you may have incurred during the holidays or whenever. We can have a lower rate and payment for the same amount of debt.
Excellent. All right. What is the application process like? I'm just wondering for folks listening right now and their ears are perked up and they're thinking, would I qualify for a HELOC?
So you do need to have a certain amount of equity in a home, and we would be able to work through that with you. But as long as we have that, we can actually eliminate the debt you currently have if you are intending to pay that off with the loan. So that's a big help.
Great. So that's one of the qualifications. Let's go on and just talk about some of the great advantages. This actually makes a lot of sense for folks out there who may have the qualifications you mentioned, but also are looking for certain benefits. What's unique about this loan?
You bet. So the interest rate on a home equity line of credit, even though we're in a rising rate market, is still way, way lower than the credit card debt you probably have incurred. So that's the first great benefit. Lower rate, even in this higher rate market. Also a lower payment because we're able to stretch that debt out for a longer term. So there's one benefit. Another benefit, if you are anticipating having to pay the IRS this month, next month, soon to be, you can use your home equity to pay the IRS because to me, I rather owe anybody else money besides the government. So if we're going to owe the money, let's just put it to a product with a lower rate and payment and get the government off our back.
I like how you said, are you anticipating the IRS? Because Jen, I'm anticipating.
I'm anticipating too.
Yes, I'm
Yeah,
anticipating
yeah,
it
too.
all the time. That's funny. You're also offering something called a bonus dividend today. Tell me a little bit more about that.
Yeah, so today is bonus dividend day at Clark County Credit Union. And what that means is the credit union pays our membership cash to have their business with us. So the more products you have with us, the more deposit accounts, the more loans you have with us, the bigger share of this dividend you receive. We actually pay you cash for being a member. It's sort of like a profit sharing because our members are our owners.
That's awesome. No, that's a huge bonus. I hope people heard that.
You bet.
So today is the day for that bonus. They can become a member. And how can they get their bonus dividend? Is it if you automatically qualify as a member, you get that bonus?
You will get something if you are a member owner of the credit union. But how much you get depends on how much business you have with us.
Okay, excellent. I understand that. And how can people apply to be a member?
So if you go on our website, ccculv.org, it is super easy to apply online for a membership, for a loan. Very, very easy.
Jennifer Bernier, thank you so much for shedding a little light on HELOCs. We hear that acronym all the time, and sometimes we forget what it's about and how it could actually be very beneficial to certain folks.
Very
out there
beneficial.
right now.
You bet.
I hope everything is going well. Say hello to everyone over at Clark County Credit Union. See you soon. ccculv.org. Check them out.